Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. On today's episode is cooking for Bay, and I'll be making my ultimate fried chicken and gungu rice and peas. So let's get started. So to my flour here, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. That's smoked paprika. You're gonna add some more of that chicken seasoning. You want your chicken to be nice and seasoned and spicy. That's black pepper. You're gonna put some baking powder. Ooh, about a couple tablespoons of that. You don't need too much of that. And some salt. And this is going to be your dredge for your chicken. And now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm going to add, this is my milk, egg, and hot sauce mixture. Add it right down in here on your chicken. Right down in there. So while this is setting up on the chicken, we're going to work on the gravy for the chicken. I'm letting it sit for a while because I want it to like really get soaked in that hot sauce, milk, and eggs. So now we're gonna work on the gravy. All right guys, so down in here I have some oil and butter. You're gonna add some onions down in here. You're gonna add your garlic. You're gonna add tomatoes and scallions and your ginger. It's all going down in there. You're gonna saute this until it cooks all the way down. Mix this up. The tomatoes are gonna break down and it's gonna create a super delicious sauce. So you're just gonna keep mixing this and allow this to break down, and then we're gonna add a couple more ingredients and finish this up. Then we're gonna get to frying the chicken. All right guys, so my tomatoes broke down for me. As you can see, it's looking really delicious. You're gonna add this mango scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. I found this in the Kroger supermarket. It's by Private Selections. I'm gonna add a couple, I guess I should have took the top off. A couple tablespoons of this. It's gonna add some heat and flavor. You guys know I love my mango. And then I'm also going to add to this some apple cider vinegar. A couple tablespoons of that too. You're also gonna add some more of that chicken seasoning that we used on to marinate the chicken with. You're gonna add some ketchup. Mix this up. Alright, so once you mix that up, we're gonna add some salt. Salt down in here. What else am I forgetting? You're also gonna add some thyme sprigs down in here. Yes, we're adding big flavor down in here, okay? You wanna season your gravy. It's gonna take home your fried chicken. Just put it all down in there. You're gonna add about a quarter cup of water. Cover this and allow it to simmer until it comes all the way together. You can strain the pieces out if you prefer, which is fine, or you can just eat it with the onions and all of that. So I'm gonna allow this to simmer. I'm probably going to strain mine out. I'm not sure, but yeah. But you're just gonna put the chicken right here down into the flour. According to my manual on my fryer, because I'm using an actual deep fryer, I'm probably gonna only put 6 pieces in there. So if you use a deep fryer, make sure you go by your manufacturer's instructions. Do not automatically fry your chicken. You wanna take it, put it down on a plate, and we're gonna leave it there for about 5 minutes. So the flour could soak right down in there. Alright guys, so to make my rice and peas, I'm using fresh pigeon peas or gungu peas all the way from scratch. The recipes I see online, they're like from the can, and I don't have the canned stuff. My mom gave me the fresh peas, so I'm going to use them. These are what they look like. You want to rinse them up really well. I'm just going to cover them with water and allow them to cook till tender, and then we're going to like put tons of flavor into this rice. So this is my peas, it's nice and cooked. To this I'm going to add my coconut milk. You're going to add garlic, scallions, ginger, and your habanero pepper down in there. Butter. I'm putting some thyme down in here. I'm going to bring this back up to a simmer, and then I'm going to add the rice and allow it to cook. As you can see, it's back up to a boil. You're going to add your rice down in here. Stir it up, make sure you taste it. I'm also going to add a couple bouillon cubes for extra flavor. That's definitely not traditional, but that's my way. Once your liquid reduces, you're going to cover it and let it simmer until cooked, about 30 to 35 minutes. Alright guys, so that's what the rice looks like. Alright guys, so now I have my basket here. My oil is nice and hot. I have it on 375 because I am frying 6 pieces of chicken. Well, I'm going to attempt to fry 6 pieces of chicken. And as it's going in there, the temp is gonna drop. So you don't want to start it on 350. I feel like that's too low. I love this fryer. It's so cute and it's easy to use. Okay, I'm looking like maybe 4 or 5 pieces. I'm not gonna overcrowd it. Okay, I'm looking like 5 pieces. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down in there, fry it up. It's gonna cook up for about 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the chicken looks like straight out the fryer. It's super crispy, golden brown, perfectly browned. And now I'm gonna plate it all up and let you guys see what it looks like. Also, I did strain my sauce. Okay guys, so this is what my chicken looks like. I put it on a plate with some lemons and some thyme. So now you're just gonna take your sauce. Like I said, I strained mine. I strained it so it's nice and silky. You're just gonna drizzle it. Woo! Not too much. You don't want to kill that crunch that you worked so hard to attain. So you're just gonna do it like that. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this amazing fried chicken recipe and my gungu rice and peas, which is pretty simple and easy. All measurements will be in my description box, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.